Hello kids, now what is this? Let me show you how. This is yoga, let's begin. Let me show you how. Alright, are you ready? Let's begin. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Well done. Okay, now let's try one more. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Great job. Okay, now let us stretch a little bit, okay? Put your arms in the air. We are gonna stretch to the right and to the left, like you want to fetch. All right. Are the hands ready? Let's go. Stretch left, stretch right, stretch left, stretch right. Good job, everyone. Okay, so let's try the next one, shall we? All right. Stretch left, stretch right, stretch left, stretch right. Wow, lovely work. Okay, are we ready for the next one? Let's see. Now stand tall like a tree. Put your arms up just like me. On your toes, rise up high and reach your arms to the sky. All right, let's get ready. 3, 2, 1, and reach out. Reach out. Reach out. Reach out. That was amazing. All right, do you want to try again? Let's go. Reach out. Reach out. Reach out. Reach out. Well done, everyone. Okay, so now it is time to say goodbye. So let's say bye-bye, yoga. Bye-bye, song. See you next time. Bye-bye.